So, good morning, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Medical Classes by Dr. Srinidhi Kumar Acharya. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also please give your valuable comments. You can also visit the playlist. In the playlist, I have provided almost all the topics in a very systematic order. So, now when we explain these things about dosha analysis, in the last class we have seen the dosha analysis up to cell level and then tissue level. So, today we will explain the dosha analysis on the organ level. For this, take the example of pancreas. Okay, just example, an organ, pancreas is an organ. Now, the pancreas, the function of the pancreas, if you see, there is involvement of all the three doshas. It's not by single doshas. For example, one of the function, we are only not taking all the functions, one of the functions, that is the production of the insulin. Now, production of the insulin, there should be some stimulation for the production of the insulin. Okay, and there should be movement of some of the hormones and all. So that is basically functions of the vata. Okay, stimulation and the movement, filling, etc. So these are the functions of vata. Similarly, after the production, that particular insulin will going to do so many metabolic functions. That is nothing but the pitta. There is involvement of the pitta. Similarly, after the metabolism, there is production of some end products. Anabolic process will going to take place, and that is nothing but kapha. So at the organ level, similarly at the organ level, for each and every function, if you see, I have taken only one function of the pancreas, that is what you say, insulin production. If you take any functions, all the three doshas are definitely present there. It is not by single dosha. Therefore, always we say they are always present inside the body in balance. They maintain the balance, they are present in balance. Now, similarly, if you see the doshas in the system level, now take the single system, for example, respiratory system. Functions of the respiratory system is not only by the vata, not only by the pitta, not only by the kapha. Initiation of the respiration and the neuronal stimulation, okay, and movement of the air inside the respiratory tract. So that is by the vata. Okay. So now for this particular whole movement and function, so much of energy is consumed. Okay, metabolism takes place. So that is nothing but pitta. Similarly, there in the system level also for the respiration there is a control. Control is present in the CNS, okay, respiratory control system. So that is control is nothing but kapha. Similarly, so many secretions which comes in the respiratory system, that is also by kapha. So you cannot differentiate as a single. All the three doshas are working in a balance. Vata may be functioning more, pitta may be functioning less, kapha may be functioning more. The balance will be maintained. Similarly, when you go for the individual level, suppose if you talk about the individual level, look at the individual level. Nowadays, there are three important systems are considered as individual means as a whole man, as a person when you see. Now, for a person, what are the three important things that actually helps to survive? Okay, so nowadays the three important systems are considered as most important coordination departments like neuro, endocrinal, immune axis. Even the contemporary science also explains this. Neuroendocrinal immune axis. Now, new branch is also developing, the neuroimmunoendocrinology. Okay, nowadays. So again, this is nothing but vata, pitta and kapha. Neuro is nothing but mostly. That means they are interconnected. Neuronal system, immune system, endocrinology, they are interconnected to maintain the balance. Okay, so in terms of Ayurveda, if you say vata, pitta, kapha, that's all. Neuro is vata, immune is kapha, and as well as endocrinology is nothing but pitta. Because hormones, enzymes, so they are responsible for all the activities which produce this. Now, have a little look on this neuroimmune endocrinology. These three systems are of high importance in maintaining the functions of the body. Every action and physiological and biochemical activities need these three systems for each and every activities. Okay. Now, nervous system communicate with the endocrine system and immune system. Okay, if you look into the physiology and as well as anatomy, nervous system usually communicates with the endocrine system and immune system because nervous system stimulation is very important for the functioning of this endocrine and immunology. Isn't it? Without neuronal stimulation, nothing is taking place. So nervous system communicates with the endocrine system and immune system, while endocrine system several times communicate with the nervous system and the immune system, and immune system many times coordinate with the endocrine and nervous system to maintain the balance of the body. If you look into the different functions, this will be evident. Okay, so this complex network system exists in the body to maintain the homeostasis. Further in the axis, it is told that brain will stimulate and connect with the immune and endocrine system often. Oftenly, brain will stimulate and it take the lead, and it usually connects with the immune and endocrine system. So rightly what Ayurveda says is Vata is the one which carries the Pitta and Kapha. Pitta Pangu, Kapha Pangu, Pangavoho Maladatava, Vayuna Yatra Niyante. That means it is a Vata which carries this Pitta and Kapha to the different parts of the body. Okay, movement. Similarly, in the explanations in the present day, they says that usually the brain functions so that communicates. So usually, it's the brain which actually communicates with this immune system and the endocrinal system. Now in the next part, we will see some of the important aspects related to the rhythm and all. Thank you very much.